Hello students, see we are doing class 10th related chapter 7th coordinate geometry, in which we are doing exercise 7.3 of NCERT question 3rd. The question is, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are, see it is the triangle whose vertices are given here in our question, A, B and C. These vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, minus 0, 3. And midpoints we have to find now. Suppose midpoint of BC is D, midpoint of CA is E and midpoint of AB is F. So midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the midpoint formula. 0 plus 2 upon 2, we are finding the coordinates of F. It is 0 plus 2 upon 2, comma, minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So it will be what? 2 upon 2, that is 1, comma, 0. These are the coordinates of F. We may write it here, 1, 0. Now similarly we can find out the midpoint of this BC, which is D, by this same formula. So it will be, the coordinates of D will be 2 plus 0 upon 2, 2 plus 0 upon 2 and 1 plus 3 upon 2, which can be written as 1, 2. 1, 2 are the coordinates of D point. So it is 1, 2. Now we have to find coordinates of E by the same formula. It is the midpoint of AC. So we can add 0 plus 0 upon 2 here. 0 plus 0 upon 2, comma, minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. Minus 1 plus 3 upon 2. So it will give the coordinates of E, that is, what it is? 0, 1. So we can write here 0, 1. Now we may find out the area of triangle DEF first of all. So area of triangle formula. Area of triangle, that is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and then plus x3 y1 minus y2. So area of triangle DEF, half DEF means this and this. This is the triangle which is formed by these midpoints. So it will be this one x1, 1 into y2 minus y3 means 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. You focus on that point where I am pointing. It is 1 into 1 minus 0 and then plus x2. x2 is this E point. So it is 0. y3 minus y1, that is 0, 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. And now plus x3. x3 is 1. Now y1 minus y2 means 2 minus 1. So it can provide the result 1 by 2, 1 plus 2. Here it is 0. 1 plus 1, sorry. So it will be 1 only. 1 square units. Now area of triangle ABC. Again we are applying same formula here. but here x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3 are these coordinates 0 minus 1 2 1 and 0 3. So let us put the values here. 0 into y2 minus y3 means 1 minus 3 plus x2 is this 2, y3 minus y1 that is 3 plus 1 it will be 3 plus 1 and plus x3 x1 x2 this is x3. So 0 into y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So it can be easily seen here that this part is 0, this part is also 0 because it is multiplied by 0. Here it is also again multiplied by 0. 4 2s are 8 upon 2 that is equal to 4 square units. Now we can find out the ratio of areas. So area of triangle DF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to what? See, we have determined 1 upon 4 it is. So 1:4 is the required answer. And this is 1 square units which was asked. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoint. So it is the midpoint triangle. So one answer is this one and another one is this one. So these are the two answers for question 3rd. It is over now. Now see students, it is question 5th. A median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. That was the theorem which you had studied in class 9th, that median always divides the triangle in two equal area of triangle. Two triangles are of equal area then in that case if the median is drawn from a one vertex to the opposite side. So let me tell you the definition of first of all median. Median is that particular line segment which is drawn from a vertex to its opposite side and divides the opposite side into two equal parts. That is called median. Let me tell you once again. Median of a triangle is that particular line segment which is drawn from one vertex to the opposite side and divide the opposite side into two equal parts. Then it is known as median of a triangle. So let us write the coordinates of ABC first of all. It is 4 minus 6, 3 minus 2 and 5, 2 respectively. These are the coordinates of A, B and C. So D is midpoint of BC. So here we can apply x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. And here we have to verify this result by proving these two triangles areas equal. We have to prove the area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC. That we want to prove here, by which we can verify this particular theorem we can say. So it is midpoint of triangle, midpoint of BC, not triangle of side, it is midpoint of side BC. D is. So now D is what we can conclude it as 3 plus 5 upon 2 and here it is minus 2 plus 2 upon 2. So it will be equal to what? Or it implies that coordinates of D will be 8 upon 2 that is 4 and minus 2 plus 2 that is 0 upon 2 it will be 0. So 4 0 are the coordinates of vertex D. No, not vertex, midpoint D of BC. Now we are able to find the area of triangle. So area of triangle formula, area of triangle, it is equal to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 and then plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the area of triangle. So let us find out the area of two triangles here. triangle ABD and triangle ADC. So area of triangle ABD is equal to 1 upon 2. Let us put the values of A, x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 respectively. This A means it is x1, y1. This is B, it is x2, y2 and this is D, which is x3, y3. So 4 into minus 2 minus 0. 4 into minus 2 minus 0 and then plus x2. x2 is 3. 3 into 0 plus 6. 3 into 0 minus minus plus, because this is negative 6. So in formula here it is minus. So minus into minus will become plus. So 0 plus 6 and then plus x3, that is 4. y1 minus y2 means what? Minus 6 minus plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2. Because that negative 2 will be converted into positive 2, because here it is minus sign and in formula also it is minus sign. So minus into minus will become plus. So it will be equal to half. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8 and 3 into 6 is 18 and minus 4 into 4 is plus 16. Sorry, minus 16. Minus 16 minus 8 is minus 24. Minus 24 plus 18, that is minus 24 plus 18, that is minus 6. So minus 6 upon 2 is equal to 3 square units, not minus 3. Why is it so? Area can't be negative. Area can't be negative. So you will have to change the sign here. It is minus 3 actually, but we have to write here 3 square units. Always remember this thing, that area can't be negative, so we will have to mention it in positive quantity. Now area of triangle ADC, half C, ADC. So this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2 and this is x3, y3. In this formula only we are putting again the value. So 4 into 0 minus 2 plus again 4 into 2 plus 6. Why is it so? See, 4 into 0 minus 2 and then 4 into 2 plus 6. y2 minus y3. Now y3 minus y1. y3 minus y1. And then plus x3. x3 value is 5. y1 minus y2 means minus 6 minus 0. Minus 6 minus 0 here it is. And then bracket closed. 4 into 0 minus 2. Now see, it will become half. Then 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. And then 4 into 8 is 32. And here it is minus 30. So 32 minus 30 you know very well, it is 2. So 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So minus 6 upon 2, again it is positive 3 square units. Because area can't be negative, no need to write it again, or you may mention here also, area can't be negative. So therefore area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC. Hence proved. This only we want to prove, that median divides the triangle in two equal parts, or areas of those two parts will be equal. And thanks a lot for watching our channel. Please do subscribe it and like it and share it.